one of the most highly cited papers you have is titled "Why Most Published Research Findings Are False," and it says right on the first page, "It can be proven that most claimed research findings are false." Is that Can you unpack that for us? Is that meant to be taken literally, or not?
It is literal. I mean, it's it's a bold statement, perhaps, but it is basically modeling the chances that if you come up with a discovery based on, let's say, some statistical threshold of significance, and you say, I have found some signal, some treatment effect, some association, how likely is that to be truly so and not a false positive finding? So it tries to see what the impact of different factors would be, including the power of the study to discover effects that might be out there to be discovered, the number of investigators who try to attack that question or similar questions and do not join forces to just do a single analysis of all their data sets, but each one of them is trying to outpace the others. And also the extent of bias that may creep in and may turn some of the non-significant results into significant results. So why these things are happening, of course, can be due to multiple reasons and multiple influences on the research agenda, the research design, the sponsors, conflicts of interest, knowledge of research methods or lack of knowledge of research methods, sloppiness, sometimes fraud, hopefully not that common, but even that exists. So if you build their composite impact, under most circumstances where you can think of how research is done in most fields and most types of designs and most types of questions that we ask, the probability of a statistically significant discovery to be a true positive is less than 50%. And in some cases, it's much less than that,
Hmm.
especially when we talk about a very lenient statistical significance threshold of a p-value of less than 0.05, which is
The
what
standard.
most fields traditionally have used.
Mhm.
So I don't think that it would be surprising, and it is actually congruent with what we see with empirical results when we try to reproduce or replicate empirical investigations.